Welcome to your money manifestation guided EFT meditation. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes if you wish. Place one hand on your heart and one on your belly. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold it gently. Count 1, 2, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, breathe in through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. Deep breath in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Exhale slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feel your body relaxing. Feel your energy becoming still and open. Now, let's begin tapping. Karate chop point. Tap gently on the side of your hand. Repeat each statement after me. Even though I feel fear when I think about money, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I feel fear when I think about money, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I believe respect and freedom depend only on money, I allow myself to see a new way. Even though I believe respect and freedom depend only on money, I allow myself to see a new way. Even though this pressure feels heavy in my body, especially my shoulders and back, I honor my feelings and open to peace. Even though this pressure feels heavy in my body, especially my shoulders and back, I honor my feelings and open to peace. Let's begin the first tapping round, releasing fear. Now tap through each point, repeating the phrases. Top of head, this fear around money. This fear around money. Eyebrow, fear of I will lose respect without money. Fear of I will lose respect without money. Side of eye, fear of being dependent. Fear of being dependent. Under eye, all this pressure in my body. All this pressure in my body. Under nose, this story that I'm not free without money. This story that I'm not free without money. Chin, I acknowledge this fear. I acknowledge this fear. Collarbone, my body is holding this money tension. My body is holding this money tension. Underarm, I release a little of it now. I release a little of it now. Let's begin the second tapping round, inviting new beliefs. Top of head, maybe respect also comes from who I am. Maybe respect also comes from who I am. Eyebrow, maybe freedom begins inside me. Maybe freedom begins inside me. Side of eye, I survived before, I can thrive again. I survived before, I can thrive again. Under eye, I am open to more ease with money. I am open to more ease with money. Under nose, I allow new beliefs to grow. I allow new beliefs to grow. Chin, I choose peace with money now. I choose peace with money now. Collarbone, respect grows as I respect myself. Respect grows as I respect myself. Underarm, and money flows to support me. And money flows to support me. Now, place your hand on your heart. Take a deep breath in through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Exhale out slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now repeat after me with feeling. I am safe. I am safe. I am worthy. I am worthy. I am free. I am free. I am a magnet for prosperity and opportunities. I am a magnet for prosperity and opportunities. Money flows to me with ease, grace, and joy. Money flows to me with ease, grace, and joy. I honor my gifts as a digital creator. I honor my gifts as a digital creator. I rise as a wealthy, impactful woman. I rise as a wealthy, impactful woman. I rise as a wealthy, impactful woman. Respect, freedom, and abundance are already mine. Respect, freedom, and abundance are already mine. Take one last deep breath in, hold, and exhale slowly. Feel the calm in your body. Feel the shift in your energy. Smile gently. When you're ready, open your eyes and carry this prosperity vibration with you.